In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Mafia 3. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this 100%. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. This is your game progress. Before dropping this 2K games, back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Just copy, paste the backup folder inside this backup and drag and drop this 2K games inside this location and select replace the file in the destination. And now you can launch the game. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.